Hello guys, and welcome to our next video from this series on how to create cinemagraphs just by using PowerPoint and afterwards transforming your videos into GIFs using Giphy.com. So basically what I want to show you in this video is why you should use cinemagraphs in marketing, because probably a lot of you are still wondering, why the heck should I use cinemagraphs in my marketing campaigns, or why should I use them at all? Well, the answer is very simple, and I want to basically give you this answer in this short video. So why should you use cinemagraphs? Well, first of all, cinemagraphs are more engaging and captivate the attention faster. Basically, let's say that you run a Facebook page or you run an Instagram account for your business. If people come to your page or to your Instagram account and see a still image, it can have an impact on them or it cannot. Okay. Basically the conversion rate is very low because social media is very crowded right now. It's a noisy environment. Everybody's trying to promote something, and it's very hard to captivate your visitors' attention just by using still images. Now, cinemagraphs are basically and technically still images, but they have movement in them, which actually makes them more engagement, because that movement, that looping movement, which seems very simple, captivates your attention. There have been numerous case studies made in which cinemagraphs have converted 5 times better than still images. Such a study has been made actually by Panasonic. You probably know what brand Panasonic is. It's the big electronics brand, okay? For them, basically a cinemagraph based on exactly the same image, okay, but one of the image was a still image and the other one was a still image like a cinemagraph, which has some moving elements into it. The one which was a cinemagraph converted 5 times and a half better than the normal one. So for the first one, they got a click-through rate of like 0.20%, and for the cinemagraph they got like 0.85% or something like that. Okay, anyway, it was somewhere like 5 times bigger, which says something about the power of cinemagraphs. Okay, now another very important benefit is the fact that cinemagraphs can be used in the same places as most images can. Okay, that means in much more places than videos, and that's basically related to our next bullet. They can send a powerful message, they are much more impactful, and they are very authentic and original compared to still images. Okay, but maybe they are not so powerful as videos, but still they can have the same impact. Okay, and for example, you can also use them in emails. Okay, something that you cannot use videos. Where can you use cinemagraphs in your marketing? Now, okay, you say, I want to use cinemagraphs in my marketing, but where actually can I use them? Well, an example would be for social media. Lots of brands are using cinemagraphs on Instagram, Facebook, and even Snapchat to get more engagement and captivate the audience. An example, it's Budweiser, okay, the beer company. If you look on their Instagram account, you can see that they have used many times cinemagraphs, okay, in their posts to captivate their audience and to send a more powerful message. You can also use cinemagraphs for banner ads on your own websites or through ads networks. Okay, it's much more powerful than using a still image as a simple ad. Okay, you can convert better, you can have better click-through rates. That means more visitors for you, more possible sales, and obviously, finally, more profits for your business. You can also use cinemagraphs in emails, and we have talked about this earlier, because they are in GIF format. So they are only animated images, and email allows you to use GIF formats, to send actually GIF formats, but doesn't allow you to use videos. So these are just some examples of places where you can actually use cinemagraphs. Obviously, you can think about many other places, but these are just 3 very good examples where big brands are already starting to use cinemagraphs, okay, to promote their businesses. Now, here are some examples of cinemagraphs used by big brands. This one is from Calvin Klein. You can see that this guy is in the car, okay, and you can see the rain as the moving element in this still image. Okay, basically the rain is the looping movement in the image. Now let's see another one. This one from Coca-Cola. Okay, another great image that captivates your attention. So you can see that very big brands like Coca-Cola are using cinemagraphs, or like Calvin Klein in totally different niches. One is in the drinks and refreshments niche, and the other one is in the fashion niche. Okay, and let's see another one. This is from Tiffany & Co. Basically, this is a jewelry company, as you already know, one of the most famous in the world. And this is a cinematograph that showcased one of their new necklaces, as you can already figure out by your own if you look at the cinematograph. Also a great example of cinematograph used to promote a brand or a product. Okay,
so much for watching this video today, and if you know anybody else who benefit from this video, please feel free to share it with them. And until next time with another tip, I will see you